In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to navigation menu in Squarespace. A button in your site's header is a great way to highlight a call to action, like booking, contacting you, or viewing your shop. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can follow along and get it done quickly. First, open your site in the Squarespace editor and head to the top of your page where your logo and navigation live. Hover over the header area until you see the option to edit site header, then click it. This opens the header editor, which is where you control everything that appears in that top bar. Inside the header editor, look for the option labeled Add Elements. Click Add Elements to see the available items you can place in your header. Elements are things like buttons, social icons, and other small components you can add alongside your navigation links. From the list of elements, choose Button. The moment you click Button, Squarespace will drop a new button right into your header. It may appear to the right of your menu links or near your logo, depending on your template and header layout. Don't worry about the styling yet. The button will automatically inherit your site's design settings so it looks consistent from the start. Now, you'll see a small pencil icon associated with the new button. Click the pencil icon to open the button's settings. This is your control panel for what the button says and how it behaves in the header area. In the settings, find the text field and edit the label of the button. Keep it short and action-oriented. Think contact, book now, or shop. Clear, concise text helps visitors understand exactly what happens when they click. As you type, you'll see the change reflected in the live preview so you can gauge spacing and readability right away. If your header has limited room, aim for 1 to 2 words to keep everything neat and balanced. A few quick tips as you finalize the label. Use title case or sentence case consistently with the rest of your navigation, avoid jargon, and choose a verb that matches the action you want people to take. If the button appears tight next to your links, a shorter word often improves spacing. Also remember that this button will appear on both desktop and mobile versions of your site, so a clear, compact label will translate well across devices. That's it. You opened the header editor, added a new element, chose button, opened its settings with the pencil icon, and updated the text. You now have a clean, attention-grabbing button right in your Squarespace navigation.